Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Decentraland Mana coin, a safe quick guide of how to do so, a step-by-step tutorial. Let's start by clicking the first link in the description, which will be a link that directs you to Binance.com. It's a affiliate link that will get you 10% off your fees when trading on Binance, which is a nice little bonus when using the platform regularly. Now what you want to do is click on register in the top right, and then click your area of residency, create an account, and then go through the account details. So enter account details, then email verification, phone number, and phone verification, which will then get you all set up on your Binance account. Once you're done with that, you can log in, which I will do right now, and I'll be back once I'm in Binance.com. Now, once you've logged in to your Binance account, the platform will look like this. What you want to do next is deposit fiat, so euros or dollars or whatever currency you're using, onto Binance. You can do that by hovering over buy crypto at the top. Then you can use card deposit, credit card or debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, or third-party payment. Let's click on card deposit. We're now in the deposit fiat section, and the currency to deposit will be US dollars. Pay with, recommended would be bank transfer, which is Swift, and this has a $0 fee. There are other payment methods like using your Visa MasterCard, but the channel is currently suspended, so you have to go through Swift. You will then hit continue and load up and deposit your Binance account with fiat. Once you're done with that, you would head over to trade at the top here and click on convert, which is the easiest way of buying Decentraland Mana coin. Now, what do we have on our account? We just deposited USD, so click on the small little arrow pointing downwards over here on the right, or euros. Now, as you can see, I have 0 euros on my account, but this is the currency you want to change. Now what you want to do next is click on the arrow below that and search for Mana, which is Decentraland. And now you can enter the amount you want to buy. So let's say 100 euros. And then if I had 100 euros in here, the conversion would take place and I would see how much mana I would get for the amount. You then hit preview conversion and click buy now, which will then have bought you Decentraland Mana coin. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.